All right, well, let's move on. We got a new unaccompanied minor screen, it looks like.
Okay, this is real, by the way. So I don't know what city this is in. I didn't get that. Did you get this one?
I haven't had to cancel an unaccompanied minor in a little while, which is nice
Okay,
because
so
most of the time
I got this from 3 drivers. It looks exactly the same, so I only put up one. So I haven't seen this yet. Whoever saw this, please educate me. Now, the way this looks is almost kind of says, well, if you think it's okay, take the 18-year-old or under in your car without adult supervision. That's the way I'm kind of see up there. It says unaccompanied minor. Got that? According to the TOS, it said no, you cancel and you move on, right? But then now it says people under 18 years old must be. This is like an oxymoron here. People under 18 years old must be with an adult rider for the entire trip. Granted, correct, according to the terms of service, fine. Per Uber's community guidelines, whatever those communities are, I agree. But now you're giving me the choice. Nah, I think it's going to be okay. I'll continue the trip. I'm like, huh? No, I'm not going to continue the trip unless there is an adult with this 18 or younger person. Or it says cancel trip. So now we have a choice to make. So is this saying to me that if there is an adult, continue the trip, but if there is no adult, cancel and go? Is that what it's saying?
Yeah, pretty much. Wait, you know, there's a little ghost text down at the bottom that says, are you really sure that you want to cancel? Because you don't have to.
I think there's a subliminal message here.
Hint, nudge, nudge. Don't.
You know, if you're desperate, maybe. Like, no, please, people, please, just cancel the big old red bar there at the cancel. Yep. If there's no adult,
the reason is because it says per Uber's community guidelines. Yeah. This is there, and you know, I've said it on other videos. I'll say it right now. It becomes a liability issue. If you take somebody who's under 18, something happens, you're 100% liable and everything will fall on you. Their insurance company from Lyft or Uber is going to say, ooh, that person is not, they're not within the guidelines. I'm sorry, we're not paying you for this. And then if anything happens, who is the person going to come after? Well, you're definitely going to be on there. Uber and Lyft are going to be like, well, you know, they're not supposed to be on our platform under 18 per our guidelines. So they're going to try and weasel their way out of that. That's the whole thing. Look,
don't do it. Don't do it.
You may be desperate for money, but please, you know, something happens. It could change your entire world around. Why do you think people are using Uber and Lyfts to get around after they've been drinking? Because one DWI can change somebody's life forever. And have some very negative effects depending on, you know, the severity of what had happened. Not just getting pulled over. I mean, that's $10,000 that you may not have. That's just, poof, you're gone. You might see jail time. You might have killed somebody. You don't know. So here's the thing. When it comes to an unaccompanied minor, the best thing to do, don't fall for this little shenanigans saying, are you really sure that you want to cancel or would you like to continue? Let's continue. Wait until they put that thing green, continue trip green. With a dollar sign. Show me the dollars. Show me the dollar, and then 100% liability for you, my man. We want you to take that ride because we're gonna get our cut. But I don't have the easiest thing on it. Just cancel the trip. Don't be that desperate, please. Know your worth.
Please. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.